Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at AUD USD for the next day, which is for the 7th. So guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So literally, we can see that our bias on AUD USD was actually to the upside. I cautioned you guys of not selling at this side and market smashed up. Those people that sold actually got stopped out. I want you guys to not sell yet. Markets push up. So eventually, our bias was still to the upside more, right? But with what market has done here, there is a double top here. You all know that there's once we are biased on a particular movement, then you need to keep your bias flexible because we are not the one that moves the market. The market moves in a way that we just have to follow it. So you can see that when market was pushing up, we had a drop. Another movement was made, which served as a double top, and guess what? Market eventually dropped. So what does a double top mean? It means a reversal move. Previously, our bias is still more to the upside, but now our bias is now to the downside because one, we've gotten a reversal move, double top, which indicates a reversal move. We can also see we were trading above the trend line. Now price has broken below our trend line, and now we've just gotten a pullback. What next are we expecting on AUD USD? More drop. And on our DXY says there will be more bullish move. Let us sit on the weekly time frame. This is it on the weekly time frame. This is it. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and a lower highs is currently playing out, right? So meaning there will be more movement up on USD. So if there's going to be a movement up on USD, what next do you expect? We expect AUD to USD should actually drop. So meaning we are now more biased to the downside. So AUD USD will now fall. So basically, if you want to learn how to trade this professionally, you want to learn how to analyze these charts professionally, then you need to join the mentorship program, which will be starting next week. So you will be taught a lot of things, how to analyze this chart like a pro. The way I'm analyzing it for you guys, you'll be taught how to analyze it like a professional. You'll be taught price actions and key levels, what you should watch out for the key levels, how to analyze the real key levels. There are a lot of key levels, but there are some possible key levels that you will need, strategies that works best on USD, especially AUD USD. If you trade it, you will be looking at this psychology. We would also look at some indices that will be trading on commodities, like indices like Nasdaq 100, US 30, S&P 500, commodities like gold, WTI, and some other currencies. We'll be looking at it. The fundamental news that moves the markets properly, well, especially USD pairs like AUD USD, we'll be watching out for how to enter the trade, how to take your profits, how to exit your trade, indicators that works best on USD, chart patterns you should look out for, risk management, and also trade management. All this will just be taught for you just for 100 USD. And this mentorship would only last for 2 months. We are not extending it to 6 months or 7 months or 8 months that we just be dragging it. Everything will be covered within 2 months. You will learn a lot. Every knowledge you need to trade it professionally, properly, everything will be taught within 2 months. So it is up to you to join the mentorship, which will be starting on Monday. The link to the mentorship will be in the comment section. So back to this our analysis, our bias is still to the downside. So AUD USD should give us a new lower lows. So we can see, if you take a look at this, you'll see something like a double top around this formation, right, on the lower time frame. Double top formation, it dropped. Yeah, there was kind of like a pullback and market has dropped. So basically, we need to take out this previous lower lows here. You can see this level here. USD is currently at this level. We need to break below it, meaning there is another possible movement downside on AUD USD. So AUD USD needs to come down more, give us a pullback. Once it come down more, give us a pullback, then expect another sell on AUD USD. So more drop is coming on AUD USD. If you want to learn how to analyze it and trade it properly, you can join the mentorship. You'll find it in the comment section.